Everything for high juicy news. Mema Obibia Kwaba. I had the latest hot and Aremeyaw Bremo. And we so we subscribe to channel area. Bomodian say obe subscribe. Robeyan say obe click a year the subscribe button. Now barely notification. We understand video for free be upload with the first person once ebe can. Yes, video. Afi we are now like video no. Give us a thumbs up. Na fi share ma wo fufuro so na when you be here. Now, and some do na ra ekoso ewo Ghana memoano. Afi yembura ye semwa abeto yepono so. Inti yes report here ababitu je sanko muma inti.
You see,
it goes beyond the church.
You see, one will say Ghana edumai for.
Sorry me.
I no more complain.
Oko Duncan Williams sorry. Anno ko asare. Anno ko royal house. Anno ko Pentecost. Ha?
Na den na ya sorry de umo.
Oh,
anyway, yeah, sorry.
Asante so good.
Me no kwa sorry.
Hey, mo kwa sorry. Special duties what you know. Mo kwa sorry.
Assemblies.
The assemblies of God kura.
How glad you be ready for. The assemblies of God glad say hona you can say adubu anyo. What the president na kwa sorry. That's so one spare no.
Say one cannot
go say. One spare no.
Make can assemble ko. Serwaa Broni we review.
Or how to do for the
I won't say they better Serwaa Broni. They do baby I want they
man ka said me set appropriate time. Captain.
You tufu.
Adwuma dabi.
Okay.
Adwuma na ye no. As I say yetimi tactical.
Strategic.
Yes. What you say?
Operational.
As every one of is of no effect.
When him say
Edru baby are the same as them no can. The effect
ya pa was assassin say washe mra ma na do.
Won dey.
Ya bruta say washe mra na say on the security terms. I come and want to Matthias.
What is it? Say onim the meaning of SWAT. Police, SWAT.
Yeah, sure.
Sa pepe na metie.
So ode yate. Ba ye duru ba bia. Na what they will your friend is saying. O cards no.
Me say agenda fat.
Man,
what the fat.
I mean can say ya no. But me can say when you drew ye. Say the be next time no say.
Baby bia wo meeting mensuro.
That's right.
Mensuro baby bia wo meeting. Hwe captain. Me se krom ha on. Say me yi nuama pia on. Ghana ebe butubutu. But etoda na wadwina kwa chire kakra. No washe. The thought that na so mu push you to a pointer. Hwe tama omuji madwuma free Minsemo airport. That was 1st January 2019. I was quiet. Na me call radio Kasama party. Me ye bibia me ko contested parliamentary. Year until 2022. When NDC boys here, ye pe me mani enhu potna yi. Hey, nieti you no one time ye de beba. E bi kra suggest kra te say like ba kwa koye nu sem ne apamu mafiri hono. Adam say sa me bie ma no ba ko pe afi kutukum. O mo nti ase. No, e dey sem nyina de to about you.
No, yeah, sure, that one I agree.
E dey sem nyina o.
And them no you agree.
Look, airport because e bie ma no Minia, deadly.
And the Kokata National Security Coordinator.
Nyabotre. Last week, Mika Bakubi has said on the 18th of January, Security Coordinator no her friend Bogezi. Our airport, a friend Bogezi.
January year,
2025 year, okay. January 18th. Your friend Bogezi. Kwaya of Faso, a presidential gate. Emma Nigeria ni omo kwakwache ni hase so akwakọ broko ayi. Emma no de land cruises baako be 5. Ewura hoko lodu nyama gu ne private jet mu e de koye no. They must investigate that man. Wow. They must investigate that man. Why he was able to allow a private
person to use the presidential
non-citizen.
Yes, no citizen.
Emmanuel Yusu presidential gate.
How?
Get to grow my say young can we?
Ah, and that's my Kenya be chairman. menka Serwaa Broni asem menka that's why I can
and then the yanka by Becca.
So ya jani at honum. Look, I called NDC Pennyphobia. And I'm saying, Hopeson, make sure say ain't happen. Who were there? And I'm Fred Batman. Oh, I near ye na a fool ye abba. Guys, yabba a painting power in a honum. Wabumu say ya take over gate 19. I'm not in a for president. Be a president. Jubilee. Say, minister pray to kwaya won't mean for this say be on the president na
no I no cramp you best stop my president I instruct say madam
so how dey no this say e be a president be from man be so ba no etima ba be use wo foreign minister crown to me use ho no say foreign minister to kwan wakotena ho wo ba be this say e be a what the presidential jet no e dey to kwan and so wetima kwakofa wo no ne ye bie Ediama alatani. Say on fa honum. No scanning. Yan scanning. Anhwe say de ede gu card mu a ode kɔ. Ya kwako lodu card no. Na ekɔ. Ye titi krom ha say. Look. Tate me say asɛm a enim. Asɛm a yetro. Men kan to obi so da. That same man. Me call airport. Na the same coordinator no afre national service wa dey do mu yaduma o papa no ba mo hwe do this say bi obe frame me aka che me say oh nipa simesi banti no hwe na on fa honom no wan frame me profond do na me say me ni records bi ha me ma wonko no afre man no asi o fa phone ma no me say me no ngasa the phone so on come ya me frame no me say ba no frame man fa me say me ma no tu so look fight no ba betu a e what time is what you do yeah any time is so the land over bia wo ko ya ma time e ti ntimi matter am no mpa ho sa
yeah sure
me je ya mo kokofa the main gate bi wo hodo mo ana aviation security boss near friend kan akohene ado frame me some office me say an o se o memra no ho sisi a me ko na papa etio me che o mo anye so wo na ni me mfa ho Neja kaya u airport he ejina 3 of us so enti se bibi tochima ayeye nyina ekoye nsusu a ayeye nyina wokan ya na mse akohini bisa papa we say menene ya akara for now we fa the friend national security can say national service ni no adentina untimi fan frame me send me message kura say oh Hopeson nipa simesi continue mano access na onko mentimi nka nkyere wo say mempene womra ni am say on kan nkyere say respect and reciprocal
yeah, sure
we are in charge of the whole airport security I'm in charge of VIP me office no you cannot run over me
but can you be
na mic na
bye
can be o say
me catch say what do the security coordinator over the airport me so me in charge of VIP
simple
me office no me a boss and also office we a boss
that's right
do say eba in the year ebia very report to you no doesn't mean say we bet my idea without my my notice
I will
not
petrol so why
etino
yeah fuels
nyankopo yeah the nyankopo ase
yeah fuels so
me said me fuel na short wo me kan mu ya teso dia mahama nyankopo ishira so on that you know ana me ye me say me stop mine no be 4 months no di me vow
alata anyway
me na me catch up me what do man me nya call free Jubilee house sabemra me da me call there me fi say normal yi me minimum de cro na nipa no one day me boni din wo ka hu bi no mo conspire against me a mo je adwuma ni free bi nsam
ugodu yo say
me call ye no asi o wanya complain bi na mine no is a good man wa hu say adwuma no mani da ho me yam adwuma all right but wasre said ye o mo ne tie ni ntino ana me catch any planes menye one pursue bia Adam say okay I am going to agree on one condition ofa ho anything eyewa wase waje atum answer me mama ina fa ho bium me catch a man say oba betu kwan na wa ma me 24-hour notice and from that time no be hopra omutimi ma me 36-hour notice.
No, but you see, for power.
Yes. Really? You need someone or yes selfless. Adwuma na wo komu no enye sika anu odi esi nani so. Na emu mo pese o ye adwuma ye den. Eboa Ghana. Eno na Ghana ye betima kwa ye nimu. Na nya sa omo mu kwe ye di obi ko na eho de de. Ase chere sen. Captain, the moment you hear that, that means that the party nya adwuma no okoye. Eho de de. Obi timita baby edu ya kokra de eho nye de. What do you mean?
Mr. Deputy Director General, why do Adaremo? Now, no ghost names be Babontin 81,000. Yeah. Okre.
Yes, Okre, and it's still under investigation.
No,
Okre said did say see
81,000 ghost names.
Yes, Okre said be an NIB sorry. I did promise son and I did. Okre said NIB for NIB for now. Asuma make us say most of the past director generals now are facing the NIB with even some of our staffs currently.
So you have that on your records. Say 81,000.
Yetimi year free.
Where 81,000 in?
Ghost names.
But I'm on destroy evidence, no.
David, you can destroy it. Sir, now I bind the Sikaba say Sikama allocated to national service in here. Yeah, the 220,000 names na koye. And yeah, Director General Felix, enemy nearby route. So omudi kind.
Yes.
Jongono koya ade na nkola na allowance na nko. Oh ye nye sika ono sika say. That Forson say na mo so kro mo nko amuji sika twitwi die sika susu ya mbetu bi. So who a honor coffee as and bus are debut. Records I wa ni sika ubodi die. Na DJ say finance minister mamin sanko hwe me personal ni biem. Nti Director General ne nuaba route then no and the cotton as as a number see nsisi yenye head count. And finance minister say mobile head count. And I have deployed all the national security on Mumbuamunamanya head count because Muya head count in India can make savings. Ato Forson so dear, oh, per se or per wasama training the obey savings. I didn't say we can see India, obey being Punamos this year. And never got be baby. I'm a port to one. Oh, yeah, baby, and I go obey down for pa. So that was how empty your quiet head count. You say, maybe the number was around 120,000. Not that 200 and something. No. So we saved the country over 70 million Ghana cedis just by clearing all the ghost names.
70 million per month.
Yes,
per month.
Every month. No. 70 million Ghana cedis.
Now, one save no. 1 month.
Why you miss Canada saying
54 million.
Jerry, why you miss Canada saying
54 million?
That's in fear 9. Bosumi be 70 million Ghana cedis. May go down.
Bosumi in fear 9 price. How many months?
48 months.
48.
And it was 70 million times 48.
70 million times 40.
Now one 70, but 70 million of phones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 48.
Hey.
3.3 billion Ghana cedis.
What do you call dollars in my version?
Okay.
Yeah, no 3.6 billion.
So that's about 1 billion.
Would they divided by
15?
Would the 16?
Yeah, 16.
Okay. $210 million.
$210 million US. Right, myself.
Wow.
Now you had to say investigation that be nature.
Wow.
Oh no, but I can assure you, say Enchebia.
You can assure me.
Captain. When I can you refuse visa?
They can't say we are assuring you to this.
Debbie. And I'm sure say see me no kase enche ebi be dem.
Daben.
Oh be
oh, master, you process.
Captain T.
Man Terry.
That do the thing. I mean make a letter.
A letter man.
I don't know say they don't be so big idea.
Yedina no. Yedina said your company say Akufo Addo Apake. Supreme Court in your court no. Said you jitum.
Yeah.
True or false? Now, what's it name? As he said, me maybe to you.
And you never be able to send to a chief.
What the look of Coach now?
Said, I got two straight to. I mean, can't set the courtroom straight. I mean, can't say High Court Judge be a Wokrum Habi or Regional Capital be an inquisition.
Naka ya freeze Cecilia
da. Most of the High Court judges are our friends. The High Court judges, majority of them are our friends. We know where they are and what they were thinking. How High Court judges and even appeals court judges were intimidated in this country to rule certain cases in a certain direction.
I made the calculation in there about for 8 years. 8 years, I say 433 billion US dollars.
A million US dollars, yes. Chief, the year can say, who committed crime to a certain level, even though Supreme Court say every offense is bailable. But what treat to President is to say 24 hours bail. Okay. So every offense is not bailable.
Oh, that's how we need a billion, but the case is
I don't know what person here there. What by a boy to say Ivory Coast flag and the Yaboto Crow was here. Yeah, can't get some person here. Yeah, why did you wow? What can some fight corruption?
Yeah.
And so what he said, not all that are legal are right.
Okay.
Yeah, they be illegal and right because if you say one, our way two and me and John Kwame Chia on a some way be an
Chairman, what's that?
Yes, way. Our way two and me and John Kwame. What's me Chia on one side? And I'm going to be an idiot. Our way two and me and John Kwame. Now say Brahmi Chia on that one side. And nobody be an really? No, Chief. Baby, I do Akufo buy. We were in this country. By my God, I say. No rule of law anymore. You share the magnitude of the criminal branch and a committee. No, or that's why me sell over 20 days. Yeah, I didn't call court. No, I'm not man in the pay. No, them or them lives. That's what that's a woman.
Captain.
But hold on. How can you tell me, say, we are on my Ghana 70 million Ghana cedis every month?
Every month.
As if you're telling me there's a rule of law. Rule here of anyone. What are you talking about?
I said, Captain, you to me for the question.
The national security will be 2 weeks.
And so what has to do?
Okum na offer so fi Japan buy ye man bail not if you know no beer otabie no twabie
Captain won't say because him be say
it is say the baby ye duru no ho as say you fight corruption to a certain level me Captain Smart am teach me ye message me
yeah sure
they agree with you
sure as say me ye should say hey say that you bet me see
radical move
na obi ti ho say your friend no your friend say ofori Atta say ono me mama who data
ono de beba Ghana
my mind feel say my ye bone na me mama me who data me dey my country this say
me aso
that make what you smart by now we a red flag on Interpol you better come away through hospital bed so do ba what are you people talking about with them pass to America you better come waba abacha time in Nigeria oh you no ne ba now on the hospital bed so no way when we issue red flag alert no way police for walk straight to the hospital and handcuffed him. He was put on a flight the next day to Nigeria. Obviously, Nigeria hospitals were.
Yes.
It is office of Papa, the president, no who quack Nigeria hospital. If indeed Agenda 111, yes, here we may yet when Akufo Addo Cries commission here, can offer that and on the back. So issue a red alert. Interpol should bring Kennedy Agyapong. Me, if I were the president by now, he's here.
One time.
Who passed that way? Area bar. Who bet that police hospital? Say why you come out? What the handcuff that was that? What are we talking about?
Send over the Reverend Zubembano. Police hospital. Now handcuff.
Victor Smith. No, I Victor Smith. Victor Salome.
Yeah.
Victor Salome. Yeah, Kosra MPP guy be. Anna. Oye rough no more man no. I want someone. That time you free. You know the video aba. Many koko so hiniane. A few other national security operatives near there. And now, Omakase young conquer no. Ti ye call what they call no. And they are there. And you call Victor Salome. That day and that papa ne pant no. Na ye ho. The way na umofano atukemwa na onhume. Na papa onhume a ensiso. I could feel it. Na Victor Salome onhume a ensiso wuti say nemfe. Yes, so fake yare no na oyare. But what happened? Because say yes, why bone etia omanity, we left him there to die. Right or wrong? So who is kind of for that and the rule of law? Rubbish.
Last week, once I can say, see a person to corruption. This Rambo star, as I say to me, a mufuno a konimo kakra. What is it? I'm for a Gazana. Right. Now, right, you know. Obisika Ghana sikana ufedi no oni babu dodo because of that. Can over that you say oyare. Woni mu nkrofo dodo awu because of natchings. Banks are ogugu nu kroma. Woni mu nkrofo efa mu wuye. Haircut awuye ye. Woni mu nkrofo efa so wuye.
Enim kam.
E dey say na odi wo gan. No, me say the current government say mo be boa Ghana fo. Na mo pese ye jimutu mu say actually you are fighting corruption not for a particular regime. Nemum ebeto aswa. They say Japan mo enko the higher level. What go at the higher level? Kwaya gomo digwa ya gugu wisa ya for the room and antimpo mo move into come. So next time no obeti baby obeka say hey
na dwumbe da ho nipa ko na dwumbe da ho yeah.
Ni ekwasu ni Minia operations. I want to do a con. When I in charge of operations, hey, Mona move generating course, no. Mona obey a hunyama.
This is the process.
Ma weni and now that me too. Ma weni and now.
Matiminia.
Nana be quiet operations are ye. Operations. Are not the operations.
And I was
and in the Namu, Sa Ababedua, that may say, Mono, Nana be no Musronana.
Oh, what are you?
Are you telling me, say, 2017, 2018, 2019, Sa ghost names in the Nebino?
Certainly, I just had a name.
Somebody might invite the Director General then. I am Mustafa Yusufa. New operations running up Bromo Yading. Anna, why now who know your press conferences? I know all my threats.
My typical example. Osama bin Laden so nipa.
Yeah.
Na oti ono ani krum meboa. America invaded his comfort zone in his country, arrested, killed him, and dropped him at high seas. Yet say Africa boy and some America first when we kuma Osama bin Laden. Did that go to
Amnesty International
the whole Amnesty International were quiet. Why? Because the guy has committed crime against humanity. There are a lot of politicians that want commit political terrorism, atrocities on the people. Alaji ana Royal Bank Kennedy. Madam Alaji dewe uno. Madam for be to the bedding. Into me call no was here and on so captain. Royal Bank new Ranonese. See, that's how I'm them. And then we started talking. I'm saying, Papa say answer one thing power. And the man could be a branch. We could be account. Oh, Royal Bank. And then why now friend and my friend and my channel down what to say, I like you, what to say, I like you, what to say. Royal Bank and the crime and say. I can operate the good bank.
No, the Sicano, Scano de Cogu, and then also just
Sicano de Cogu, no, then also Jessica and Anson. Sicana na Anson, not Royal Bank Mocha. Me man call Royal Bank, may I catch him semi Sika.
At the home to me,
mean to me, that.
UT Bank, so, sir.
Who go bank, no, UT Bank, Papa, can operate it to area punch in my yato.
Kofi Amoabe.
Only Kofi Amoabe to area punch in my yato. Did. Also, I mean, what's the Bible say? Said any pain, Bumutan fair. Me, Minyo Bibia, or Bankano. Me anam pesameto. Then so any me nyaw she. O tunika, o fini gate. Otchere, that time I do news 6 p.m.
Let them
pie.
It was midday.
Midday news. Thank you.
Midday news.
Midday news. Me my boss here no be breakfast. Me ko. What's here nyame? Midday news. No abo midin.
Can't you angwa no pano? Omo koda Ken Fee.
Okay.
Ken Fee.
Well.
Kofi Amoabe wabo didn't Mamenka. We invited the governor of Nigeria Central Bank. No yenadamfo.
Okay.
Sa omra no mama intervene ni mano. Kenu vrete o akra ha de moment entra ha kra no drive wo moto chebi wono a ne gina kitchen ye aduane
e ma omudi ye anti
wo mo kodru ho
said na omudi ye ne kenu vrete na ne no ai
wono ade no ai
okay
wo mo kodru ho no first 20 minutes na ye bible wo mo ref ye wono first 20 minutes
ye shira wo
ye bomba ye ne ekotu ye boni ekotu wo mo wie ye anaja Central Bank impenifo aba ye koko yiyi nsa papa ibesisi ho blue label ni ne kakika ho no mkeka wo ano onu agina kitchen ye aduane wo mu wie no mo be kono si debi ade asa mo mienda ano mo dai papa so o the chartered flight was no problem madam fu intina mamba meda sorry ahoma chechi kosua yeti manu na papa hu no tu na yi wo du yo koko dru office first call oi say wo da check news o hwe ya
jegunu bank no
hey papa ni say ni wiase a waba the only sasabrun samwa waku ewu wiase ayekeno furata
hwe alaja
me say benya
jebi
na mi hu say wo mpene so me kwa me si o me be pa de chokra no wa mpene
me kosra
assurance
obi wo nyaho clinic enti me fi hospital no pie no em say me wura mu no papa no hu me such a noble man alaji ojina nyaho clinic anim ho ama me wura hospital ho ewi pie bai onti asen ti me bia me yi na ye kro obi hu even though me save you on a bank no baby obehia me bi obechema de Obo watch me now. I mean, watch. I'm saying, hey, Alhaji, you told me you are not rich, but look at the watch you are wearing. No, you're watching. They say, Captain, this one is not expensive. Hold it and see. Miss Somo, you can keep it.
Only about for the dog.
Someone can say you can keep it. The last time I'm share, no. Na papa na ye mobo won kam.
What can you imagine this? Can you imagine?
We say onkware here. Just 13 million Ghana cedis. Emerson is sika na wo no so. 13 million Ghana cedis. Yeah. Emerson is sika na so. Na ema the bank no enye kese ni ngira ne na so.
Recapitalization.
Who we ya? What the 500 million Ghana cedis na egu ni bank no? And this man, yes, this man at the hospital say, "Ono amaye so beba me." Inti Interpol na wo wiase mo na wo to wo gene.
Chairman.
Oh no, well. Yeah, president.
But I'm going to buy a swing here. Yeah, national service. Project Ben and Master System. Mobile more. Masas never is illegal.
Yeah,
almost as illegal.
Westland.
Make us say catfish or crowd. Where's the question?
Men go get my statue.
Oh, wait, about
Cecilia 400.
Yeah, or 10,000.
Oh, there's some more dorsal. Men come 400.
Why are they?
Me won't get 400. Me weekend we should not to be account.
No, you see, but the most painful aspect is say, Captain, then you said 10,000. No, you am cooking in 300,000.
Hey,
yes, you need Mastercard Foundation. You share near one no. Now, Beji say. En kukon ya sensan bibie wi a o ma approve sika na ma ye wi a so mo fambra no kukon bedru ya yesi ye nin kukubu nti no mo fa kukon ko ma nkora ma ye
there be no mic na ma
hey, that is what happened.
There be no mic na ma so what kind of for nan
me say ya sign contract ya wi Mastercard for so ye brem nkukọ ye brem 300,000. You did kind of first 100,000 ba. Yes, so move fambra. Omudi nkuko ni bedru ye, nkuko mani bedru ya, anasa nkuko nketi ni bedru ya. Yes, sorry. National Service for sani ye ni nkuko bu. Nti mufa nkuko nkoma ankra mai no mo hwe so mai. So as I speak to you now, older farmers and I say ye nkuko 100,000 so mai.
But I know it's time ben on asem na.
This was just the 2022-2023.
Mo enti say one MPP for Subai. Well, no, Kasem Kokon Kitten no, and your policy, Papa. But I know we use national service for.
Oh, yes.
Yes. What we need,
yes.
At the end, yeah. Oh, yeah. But no, also,
there is only me yenti. As Asante Bediatuo, the Gatti no until the Gatti Casanton to me one, or sister before our young day.
Akufo Addo Cries say no kromasi mondi ko do ye wasi Ghana nyo hia man yeti sika so enso kom de ye
dem na kom na de wo mu
tie asem no wasi yeti sika so enso kom de ye you know what it means anya Ghana for anya hia for ni nam kwan so asem ko
wo mu na me ka no
so what we ye buy ye 2024 esabai no almost had my holder. As I speak to you now, Darko Farms is managing over 50,000 beds for us. Agro Farms is also managing another over 50,000 beds for us. Until this year, the na eseba no, another 20,000 eseba. Ena my Director General Mira Felix Jemfi. Sata no ni mini abarut na oho. You know say masa. We nkwa de yemfa nkomobi. Emergency bia ebe nti yenso ekobubo nkuko buo ni bi nti eno ne shed na obehu wo papa wo farms ho no yesi sade for ni nyina within 3 months
bam bet me 1,000 na mame
nkuko ne 1,000
me wo space
da ebe ba behwe but they said ye say secondary school for the answer they say mama say ye secondary school bia in start poultry
na some so secondary school
there be ye ebe ba household and they were not for Erikopoku
my minister question was secondary school in
Smart Academy.
Smart why?
Smart Academy. So no space.
No household the beba. And Erikopoku na ye. So what down for no.
That's all ref say time omode ready for export. Ye dem preko ne nam wahodo de mama kuafo of various districts no. MMDCs for na che fire. Ever since some of the young Mankasa farms. Me nim kwa be 6.
Yeah.
Now we know we catch them say we the rule of law na chikron for. Most mama kroma. Hey,
but I can say
for now
prosecution asem wa mu kai wo mu media. Wo mu ba aban mu 3 months ni so. Wo say yes we dika okota na nje so wadi.
Yeah.
Na enu ya konfo abebu.
Oh, wo dey tie.
Sabe no.
Wo dey tie.
Akronfo na ebu sabe. Membu bi wa membu. Be say yenye chew.
Captain tie. Chene de
let me ask you
aban lusu cases bebre
but abaso no betwe
because he said one nyabotre anya de
kewo national service ade ya ye ka we abotame
right myself I didn't
that service I abotame
want me ko prosecute ni pa ba ko pe
da bi wo dey je de ba ko be hase
you saw me
yeah de ba ko be hase bra
obi ade ni offense
abrante ya lata ni ya wo kana
obi ade no offense say 70 million a month
yes
I ade no obi ade no offense obi dey na ba ko
obi dey negligence
yeah we deputy director general obi na different offense obi asensan ne dey differently
yeah.
I say the same prosecution. The same prosecution. 70 million.
Evidence I hwehwe say edubu ahi bayi. Sika na nka ne papa bi odi president akobesesa kogu adaka mu wanya asesanti obedi ne papa de wa ba mu hwede wa asesa. Me hu kromfo a wagimi sa ada wo. Me wi asamba bi do nya me hu kromfo gimi fo sa ada.
On the koto.
Say wugina ho sa wo wi sika atade. Ata this
Madam for now dinner.
Me won't come for Jimmy Saddle. So which the house real estate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. One day, I say estate having a dino. Maybe my top 27. If you ask me the $290,000 to say, no, who does this? Where? Which country? Somebody should be sincere with me. Who does this?
Enti omo muti abamu no mutie.
I mean, it doesn't make sense.
Some of these things na great.
Yeah.
Ebia you say that. Ebi kura obi aba be chemiska bi. Hopeson. Wo do obi aba be chemiska na me pesa. Wo kura ska yi mame. Se ode beba obema me bi adi no. Won famba. One in the ready busy. Yachina.
So, Nyamiadrum, say I be
50,000 more.
It is as I speak to you now, dear. Almost the first 10,000 now, but you have 4 shares now, which can take 20,000. And now, so meaning so who say any take it for being so called.
Yes,
almost about say the air and the almost fair. Instead of say you be see the 10,000 or almost be see the 50,000.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Am I?
That was the same premises.
Oh, the same area.
And more land, more assassin.
It was 17 acres.
That was the same place.
I wanna
me hwem kokko so.
Oh, wait, my say.
Me po me ba be hwem kokko so.
Ono be hwem kokko.
That me pesa Mary.
Country family.
Media and say, Mama me pump action 3.
There be.
Listen to the agenda.
Your program there and say your farm 70%. Especially because of Kuko Manning, no say Memano, no my dream doors. I
am no Memano so
Omunya na Memana.
Debbie, it's not true. A man in the name of
that is the
new Kunu Emano.
So that is the according to the program, the farm man more. So we've taken like 70 to 75% in Ma. Omuna share day old chicks no so.
Okay.
It say amino kasa omedi be almost 1 month.
Oh, say media no cry kasa chen. Say media omedi.
Yeah, then they are now weighing around 800 grams. 800 to 900 grams.
Oh, wow.
Like no more drew 1 kilo.
Same was catching.
Then there is the catfish pond. And also so
catfish biom.
Your catfish wo ho.
Ba ko no mototo je ne uni ka draw or
eguye.
Lebu say.
Captain, kasi mi chairman say.
Chief, enu ti na me ka kire mo say.
Oh, ya point and here no.
Enu ti na me ka kire mo say. Senior, ye do ba bia he edua ya yeti. Ma me ka no kire mo. Edua ya yeti. Say ka say ya katua nko an ye di ofie ha me twa wontro.
Yeah.
Ye didi ho ye.
Because we di ma fo na ne papa ewu.
Yeah.
And so that no ba last time no okono o ma me 1,000 cedis.
Hey.
What did I mean say? Ne papa ewu. And so be a commercial interview na okono o ma me 1,000 Ghana cedis. Sas kan yan to be dia.
Wow.
Media. But say anti bi ba na ma betam camera yes we say me koton a.
Yeah. That's still it.
Asam ho. Eno na ye ka se sa won wa ye sa de no nti wo mu ni ho. The evidence is that who call in a fish pond and the ho there's no fish.
Yes, but you restock it. They say yeah.
And then what so come you criminal. Any question yeah, you are criminal.
No.
You have to restore.
No, we've taken record. There was nothing. But you ain't me here.
Any part of Sheffield were
Debbie.
What did they call hobby?
Omunyina abaho.
Mom who say fishing.
Yes.
It's one Ninam Fair day.
It's in the account no more NIB.
Chief.
Nina account.
Yeah.
They say,
you don't call no man macro.
Messay.
Oh, bedroom one macro.
Gabby, Koya, you want to me. And no man, no macro. I went to Ghana, more ram. Say, when young Rama, Cabrantia Bakun Kojina one real estate and Todai Makumaku 27 and deposited $290,000 per house. What are we talking about?
Captain,
oh,
I'm free from one. I'm sorry. They say,
your time national.
Young boy, that's true. Young boy, that's true.
For no corporate name. But I won't catch a member, Monkamo National Service. I mean, some say I'm before. Hey,
I don't know if you have ever.
Asante Bediatuo ba won kuta pon ato ne papa pepe sa do when ya is. Oda kroma to ne pata sa do when ya HIV. Oba wasako. Na men kan say, oba to kuta pon na won say ado when ya HIV. Oda na kro yi. Na wa fa wedi. Oh, really? Boy,
Efesia, Yami Adoma next week na to us.
Yeah, this year say.
Your time naso.
Time naso.
Asembako.
Ya den de beka so.
Asembako. Ababa wabia watching and was President Mahamadu.
Where?
Yeah.
MPP ni gabby.
Oh,
Oko TikTok was here friend Ghana jolo.
oh.
What did it? Captain.
Enemre.
Nyabutre.
Enemre.
Yeah, can you possibly?
Nyabutre. And some now walk ano. Mamo rubbish. As I said, appoint me to one among.
Just cool. Only cool make us be.
And you could make. It's about that time.
Wakeka for fraka home.
Time.
Epe krama tako fu mo
ase. Ensam na time. Kati, obi ka kira o se wo ne wo ba wa wo no. Ada. Akwakọ ya bocha. Can you take it just like that?
I will not take it.
Entino.
Mahama be
What
Chama wuti bi ka kira se no di na Mahama ko krom. Amon ya ne ma bi o mo kra mo se je. Abai no bi ankyero. Wuti bi alternative so keka kwasi asem. Se Lordina ko krom ko di dwa be ye aduane ama Mahama. Lordina say, according to a Untumi, or say, Obedru Fieno, none house help. Nama Hama Butuno so, yet to him, my Mahamade, my Untumi day.
Anna make us say, and to us, sir. As I said to us, now you got you that Yazama Mike. Sababa, that it Yazama Mike. Mrs. Sababa,
Mahama, what
MPP politician. Why member of parliament? And now, some member of parliament, then this Ababa Wano, Aquacoto, UK. Yes, Wakoto Diamond or Honum, and what Honum, and Wako hiding behind. Now, Oko Pejinuswa, or Macho Bawumia for 2028.
Hey.
Message that time, would you call TikTok? We need to make sure
National Security Coordinator to Kroim, IGP Tatayohonu to Kroim, NIB boss to Kroim, Chairman to me say, Lordina. Echo Joma,
a bedroom move your attention.
Debbie, when we are where they know. Put in and throw him. I can some friends and
Deputy Director General. Deputy Director General, National Service Authority, Area Darko, Anno Ebaye, Yedase, and Hopeson Adorye. Thank you so much for your time this morning.
Yo, for winning a Serwaa Ababeto, Yaponoso, Mekause, so we can subscribe to channel here, but more than I say, over subscribe. Now, I like video, don't give us a thumbs up, now, share my wolf froso. Now, when you be here now, and somewhere also, Ghana memoir. Also, bet me, Atchere, wondering a fire, and some way now, comment boxing. Mobeti, make a beam in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.